According to Premier League update, Kaizer Chiefs submitted a bid for signature of Sibongiseni Mthethwa from Stellenbosch. Coach Ntegi confirmed that he liked the player. He will love to have him in Naturena. Close source revealed that Mthethwa has rejected the new 3-year extension deal he was offered by his club. He doesn't want to sign. He is about to enter the final 6 months of his contract, and that will allow him to sign a pre-contract with the club of his choice. Mthethwa and Stellies have an option to extend, but it doesn't favor Stellies that much because according to the contract they have, Mthethwa has a final say. According to PSL News, Mamelodi Sundowns are set to complete the signing of Khanyisa from Cape Town City before the transfer window on the 22nd of September. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.